So let us discuss the next problem, 9.44. So this is a roadmap problem. You have to give me the structure of ABCD. So let us say what this problem says. So a compound A, so I have a compound A, and this compound having formula C7H11Br. So this is the molecular formula of this compound. Is treated with magnesium in ether to give B. So if I treat A with magnesium in ether as a solvent, it gives B. So this is a Grignard reagent because reacting with magnesium and gives B, and B has a formula C7H11MgBr. So this is simple. This is a Grignard reagent because it is reacting with magnesium and attach simply Mg here. So this is a Grignard reagent. Now everybody knows which reacts violently with D2O. Now B reacts with D2O. So this is an acid-base reaction to give 1-methyl cyclohexane. So now a structure have 1-methyl cyclohexane. So now I know the skeleton. 1-methyl cyclohexane is this. So basically I know the skeleton. 1-methyl cyclohexane, it gives reacting with D2O. So let me again read. It reacts methyl cyclohexene, 1-methyl cyclohexene. Oh, not 1-methyl cyclohexene. So this gives 1-methyl cyclohexene. Are you getting? So now I know the skeleton. So this compound C7H11Br, what is the skeleton of this compound? Will be something like this. So this gives me the skeleton. So gives me idea. So what is the skeleton? I know the skeleton now. Are you getting? Next it says one with a deuterium atom on methyl group. So D2O gives which react violently with D2O to give 1-methyl cyclohexane with a deuterium atom. Now this also says in this case there is a deuterium atom on methyl group. So basically question is saying this is formed CH2D. Question says there is a deuterium atom on methyl group. So compound is CH2D. Basically, so this is taking deuterium from here. So this also gives me there is a deuterium on methyl group. Now next part says reaction of B. So next part reaction of B I think you have copied this one. So now next says reaction of B with acetone. So B react with acetone. CH3, acetone is CH3, CH3. So B reacts with acetone followed by hydrolysis gives D, and I am doing also hydrolysis. So first reacting with acetone and then hydrolysis is done, H3O plus. It gives D. Basically they have called this compound as C. So this compound is C. As D has a molecular formula C10H18O. So this is the molecular formula of D, C10H18O. D with concentrated H2SO4 gives E. So if I treat D with concentrated H2SO4, conc H2SO4, this gives E. Are you getting? So D treated with conc H2SO4 gives E, and it's also heating. Concentrated H2SO4 as well as heating. So this is a dehydration of alcohol. Are you getting or not? So you have a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent reacting with ketone, you will get a secondary alcohol. And our second reaction called dehydration gives alkene. So E must be an alkene, everybody knows. E undergoes, now question next is, E decolorizes the bromine water. So heating D gives E, and E has a formula C10H16. So E has a formula C10H16. E decolorizes 2 equivalent of bromine to give F. Now E reacts with 2 mole of bromine to give F. This means this suggests me there should be 2 double bond. And F has a formula C10H16 Br4. So there are 4 bromine attached. This means this must contains 2 double bond. Are you getting or not? So 2 pi bond. I can say 2 pi bond here I have. And then E undergoes hydrogenation with excess H2. So now if I do E with hydrogenation of excess H2, if I treat with excess H2, E hydrogenation, this gives isobutyl cyclohexane. So isobutyl cyclohexane. So this gives me, so let me write. So I have, this gives me isobutyl cyclohexane. So I have isobutyl group. So I should have CH3. So let us say I have 4 carbon, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. So this is the isobutyl group. Are you getting or not? So this is, so let us copy this one. So isobutyl cyclohexane is this. Here I have hydrogen. Let us say hydrogen, CH3, CH3. So this is isobutyl cyclohexane. So this gives me isobutyl cyclohexane. So let us draw the structure of ABCD for the following reaction. Things are easy if you follow these steps. So let me give you 2 minutes time. How many of you are able to do this one? And then we will discuss the solution in the last. Okay, let us discuss the solution for this question. So we have B is this, and B is coming basically from A, and you see this is a Grignard region, so this must be Grignard region something, so because this has taken deuterium from water, so this must have CH2 minus, then it can take D from D2O. So then our structure for B should be, because I should have here minus, so let me write, this should be only minus here, so let us write B. B should be something like this, CH2 MgBr. Are you getting? You see what is the molecular formula? You have 6 plus 1, 7 carbon, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Here no, 9, 10, 11. 11 hydrogen we have. And this is MgBr. So this is my B. Are you getting or not? So what should be A? A is basically alkyl halide. I have to remove the magnesium. So A should be this. So simple. So this is A because A is the alkyl halide. Now E is very simple. You see D is very simple because if you react this with acetone, you are getting D. So let us say if this is B and if you react with B with acetone, so now you know what will be the product. So this is CH2 minus, and now if you react this with acetone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. If you do hydrolysis, this goes here, this goes here. So now you know the product. So you will have this CH2, and now this carbon connected with OH, CH3. Are you getting? And then you will have CH3. So this is your D. Are you getting or not? So after reaction with acetone and hydrolysis, so you are also doing hydrolysis in this case, you are getting D. So D is this. Now let us say E. So let us see E. What is E? So now you are doing dehydration of alcohol from here to here. You are doing, so D, you know the structure of D. If you do dehydration of alcohol, you are getting E. So this is your D. Now if you do dehydration, you will have E. So if you do dehydration, but that is loss of H2O, so you have to lose H2O from here because this will in conjugation. So you will have E, CH, double bond, C, CH3, CH3. So this is your E. Are you getting or not? So this is your E. So dehydration of alcohol. Now you see F is what? If you react this compound with 2 mole of bromine, you will get F. So F will be something like this. Here you have to attach bromine, 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 bromine. So you have to have bromine 1 bromine here and 1 bromine at this position and 1 bromine at this position. Are you getting? Here also you have a 1 hydrogen. Now 1 bromine at this position and 2 CH3 at this position. Are you getting or not? So this is your F. So simple. Copy this one fast. Now we can also verify from here. You see this question says if E reacts with excess hydrogen, this gives this compound. So you see if you do react with excess hydrogen this compound, you will have this double bond is gone, this double bond is gone, so you will have a cyclohexane ring and then CHC, CH3, CH3. So you verify this one here. So you see this compound is same, one ring cyclohexane CH, CH3, CH3. This compound and this compound is same. If you do hydrogenation, you will have one ring CH3, CH3. Are you getting or not? So you will have CH, cyclohexane ring CH2, CH3, CH3. So you will get the same compound. Are you getting? So let us copy those who have not copied fast, and then we'll discuss the next problem. Okay, let us go for the next problem.